This nigga at Burger King in the drive-thru with a motherfucking wheelchair. I don't know what the fuck this shit is. Nigga, this is fucking Burger King. This nigga is fucking riding the motherfucking. I don't even know what to say about this shit, cuz. This man, this shit, cuz. Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga, man. This nigga ugly as hell. Do you see this shit? Like, this shit can't be real, man. I'm in the motherfucking car, cuz. This nigga in the fucking Bobby's World bicycle and shit.